How to log in to Walgreens employee account. Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we're gonna see a quick and easy way to log into your Walgreens employee account. First off, what you're gonna have to do is open up your web browser. From your browser, search for Walgreens employee login portal. Hit the search icon and then go to the first link, sso.walgreens.com. Tap on the sign on button. Here you're gonna have to provide your one ID because Walgreens website is secured by one ID, so you're going to have to provide that and simply enter your password. Once that is done, you can just click on the sign on button, and if both of your login credentials are correct, you should be able to get into your account without any problem. However, if you forgot your password, you have this option called Forgot Password right below the button. Just tap on it, and you should be able to recover your account from here. What you need here is to provide your one ID, then tap on next. They'll ask you for your email or phone number associated with your account, and you'll get a verification link or a code depending on your device, on your phone or email, and you can use that to recover your account successfully. That is basically it, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.